Future pioneers in modern technology, the Burlington High School Robotics Club, Devilbotz 2876, are hard at work, researching, sawing, hammering, and wiring. These students are in the process of creating their next big robot that'll be shown off at two major competitions in 2023.
Our main competitions this year are the first weekend of March and the third weekend of March, and that's where we compete. There's about 40 other teams, and it's a huge arena, basically the size of a basketball court. We compete with a bunch of other teams in like a 3v3 type tournament, and it's a really fun experience. So every year we get a new set of game pieces, which is like the challenge for the year. And this year, one of the challenges is that you need to balance on a platform that kind of wiggles or wobbles. So we have code working that will actually work in the background and use a gyroscope to balance the robot automatically on the platform.
What we're working on in there is an arm that will raise and lower an intake system. So they're completely different things. That one is something that the robot can balance on, while the thing in there is an arm that will help maneuver a different part of our robot.
Building a robot doesn't just happen overnight. It takes an extensive amount of hours and investment, and a like-minded team of students, teachers, and mentors, from the drawing board up to circuits, gears, and all.
Yeah, so it takes a lot of different things to prepare for the competition. During the build season, we meet about 17 hours a week to prepare and develop our systems. That involves a whole lot of different tasks, starting from the design and the prototype phase through the computer-aided design phase, which is like digital design on computers, into our manufacturing in the shop back here, into programming, into drive practice. So it's really a long process. And
craftsmanship is only half the process, as there's a business side to the team when it comes to preparing for the next big event.
We have like food sponsorship. We got to start that in the fall because like our build season, I don't know if you mentioned it, starts in January. So that's when we have 17-hour work weeks. So we need that food on Saturdays, where it's like an 8-hour work week. So we start planning that ahead. We apply for grants and sponsorships in fall. And then we need to get t-shirts for the new members that come in every year. That also starts in the fall throughout. We're still working on it right now. Social media, we always plan that out. Every week we send out something so everybody can see. So it's a lot of planning in between, but yeah, pretty consistent.
From the lower library at Burlington High School, this is John Vias for BNEWS.